In this video, I'll show you how to add or remove page breaks in Google Docs. Let's get started. Page breaks are a simple way to start a new page without using multiple returns. To add a page break, place the blinking insertion point where you want the page to break. Then go to Insert, choose Break and select Page Break. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl plus Enter to insert a page break. To remove a page break, place the insertion point at the beginning of the new page and press backspace. Alternatively, scroll to the previous page, click just to the right of the page break and press backspace. Page breaks keep your document clean and organized compared to using the Enter key multiple times. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.